Yeah.
Hello everybody. Today we are test driving MAzda CX2.2 Sky Active, which came in with a DPF power loss problems. So what can you tell us? How was your car before and how is it now? Any comparison?
Before it's very, very sluggish and smoky, and it didn't go when you put your foot down. But now, after Errol's done his magic to it, it seems to go like it was when it was brand new. This is very nice.
So are you happy?
Yeah, this is
Can
good.
you see black or white smoke in the mirror?
No, nothing.
No, nothing.
No,
No
clear.
engine lights, which is good.
That's good.
Okay.
All very good. Thank you, Errol.
Thank you very much. We are specialized on DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, power loss, black or white smoke issues, and the high fuel consumption. We are the masters. You can reach me on 07533 636 and we are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 2 Echo Tango. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.